I had a water leak from a frozen pipe above the ceiling kitchen, and as a result I had to cut the ceiling, as you can see here, and fix the pipe. And now I'm going to show you how to fix this ceiling. So that's the way it looks so far until now. And if you look at the ceiling here, you can see the discoloration from the leak, from the water leak. And in order to address it, we're going to use oil primer kilts against mold and mildew. And we decide to put 3 2x4 to support the new board.
So you put three of them, correct?
Yes.
That's the way it looks so far. So that's the way it's look until now.
Can do the pre-fill.
That's the way it looks so far. So now we're putting another coat. How many coat you going to put? 2 or 3?
2. This is the second one.
Second coat. So it's 5 minutes. 5 minutes compound.
Yes.
So what is the ratio? You just know by heart, or you're just putting a little bit of water or something?
Yeah, just mix with water. It said 5 minutes, but it gives you more. Probably gonna give you 10.
No, but how much water, you know how much water to put there? Or just,
No, just quick set. So
just put quick set, yes, until you can see.
Doesn't matter, it can be thin or thick. It's not gonna shrink much.
So you're putting now a second coat, that's good.
There we go.
So that's the way the ceiling look until now. That's the second coat with 5 minutes. But remember, there is a pattern here, and we have to put the pattern now with a normal compound. That's the way it's look from here, as you can see. And that's the way it's look from here. And that's the way it's looks so far. Correct normal compound to make the pattern. It's a normal compound. So you just mix it, you put more water. You have to put more water there, correct?
No, I already put some.
Ah, you already put some water, correct. How much water do you put? Quite a bit or what?
Just enough to get it smooth.
To get it smooth, correct?
Go a little over with it.
Yeah. After that, you're going to put the pattern, so it's not the most, to be most accurate.
We are putting now the third coat, and we are using for it a normal compound in order to create the pattern on a ceiling.
You use this brush to see if it's work. You don't want to use the roller, correct?
It's gonna do it spikier. You want to use yours? Yeah, it's spikier.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice, no? Or what?
Yeah, but it's spikier than the one it has.
It look nice, but you want to put more material or what?
No, I gotta make it thinner.
You want to make it thinner now, it's going to be less spiky.
What do you think?
When
it dries, it's gonna be less.
Okay, good. I think it's good.
It's gonna shrink.
I think it's very good. Yeah. And that is the way the pattern look on the ceiling here after we use this brush. That's from close distance. Let me show you from normal distance. And that's the way it looks from here, as you can see. It looks better here now. You can see it. When it's going to be dry, it's going to look even better. And what we need, the next step, we need to actually paint it with a kilts that avoid more than mildews.
Thank you for watching this video.